Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is May 5th, and we're going to take a look at CNO. And CNO yesterday had met its bubble target that we had set the night before that. And it met it and exceeded it, and we were waiting to see what it decided to go and do with itself today. And it did pull back. Market just totally tanked, and CNO did not. We have a hammer looking candle right here, which is very nice. And we did call out today on the CNO board that it looked like it was not going lower, and we actually called that bottom within one bar. I believe it was right here that we called that out. So that was very nice. It yesterday we said that it was still thought that it was going down, which it did, and we caught it on the up right there. And the reason for that was not only following the moving averages throughout the day, but weighing CNO against the behavior of the rest of the market. And that we can't always get it that right, but it sure feels nice when we do. And today everything just worked out the way that we thought that it was trying to work itself out. You'll notice on the 15-minute we do have a complete crossover and separation prior to entering the bar, and true to form, it puts the hurt on the bar and penetrates it. Very, very nice. On the 30-minute, we do have complete separation. As it goes up to test the bar, it will most likely put the hurt on the bar and very possibly penetrate it, but we need tomorrow for more data. And the 60-minute, we have compression of the short-term moving average. If the other shorter-term time periods work out, then it will cross over and go up to test the bar. Notice the bar is in a flat line, making it very vulnerable to penetration. There's nothing really to stop it. So this is very, very nice looking on the 60-minute. And going back to the daily, if we do have an update tomorrow, this compression and slow turnover of the short-term moving averages will even out and possibly even start pointing back up. And if it does, we have an entry point. Now, it is not a textbook guppy entry because we do not have a complete compression testing the line and then a re-expansion. So it will not be as strong an entry point, but it will be an entry point nonetheless. And there you have it. The long-term moving averages, of course, still have all of their strength. They have not been diminished one bit. This is a very bullish chart. We didn't even get a test of the long-term moving averages on the daily. So we do have to weigh this chart against the Dow, the S&P, and try and get further direction, since those do have bearing upon this chart. And if the S&P and the Dow do have a bounce tomorrow, which they very well may, that will lend even more power to this one jumping back up. It should also be noted that there is a resistance level that has formed at the 790 area that will have to be broken. And if this has enough momentum tomorrow, then it could do it. But it is there. It is something to be aware of. So there is a small range right here that it does need to chew its way through if it's going to have another run at a new high. So beyond that, CNO looks very nice. It was questionable there for a short period of time, and it would appear that that is over. However, we do also have non-farm payrolls in the morning, which is a news-driven event, and news-driven events trump all charts. It'll be nice once we are out of the news cycle and the charts become more pure, at which time we will have more consistently unaffected signals, which I am definitely looking forward to. As always, all investing decisions are your own. I still have a little bit of a bug. And this chart and video are for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Please drop by Bears in Exile, register, say hello on the forum, read the news, read the articles, and have a great time making money. Good night.